Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see here, what that candle doing for us here, and that's what me I told you in the last videos, guys. If you remember the last video, I told you in 30 minutes there is an entry signal. Yes or no? The last video it's still there in the channel, guys. I told you there is an entry signal, and I told you the one that candle here is a pin bar. By the way, let me zoom it a little bit. I tell you that candle here is a pin bar that indicating the market to a reverse. But I told you the reverse it will not be that big, guys. I told you maybe just till here. Then after that we're going to see another drop, guys. So what the view? The view, that one is just a consolidation level or a sideways market here, because today is Sunday, guys. There is nothing new, and we're going to come back to you when the daily candle finishes and the weekly candle finishes. We give you the right signal where is the market is headed, because here if you see what you got here and what the market gave you here, I'll show you that one in the 4 hours, and here in the daily it's look very clear, guys. Look at it. It's an uptrend. You can even come here like that. You drawing a channel is an up channel, guys. It hasn't break it yet. That's what me I told you. I told you that level here you need to make a close eye at it where we are here. Till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. We are not confirmed we're going to go up, and we are not confirmed here we are going to fall down more, because if you bring my chart like that, look at it what it's telling you. If you remember what me I told you, you got a level here like that, and here look where it came with that yellow one, guys. Now that yellow level here we got here, that one, if you remember it, that one we've been followed for long till now. Now the market is there and it's showing here a green candle, and that green candle it's left for it 9 hours, guys. It means it's still very early. So now what should we do? There is nothing, guys. Also here it's showing we are going to go down in the short time frames, like 30 minutes or something. We can enter long, because there is an opportunity to enter long in 30 minutes, guys. I showed it to you in the last video. That way I told you guys every time make sure to watch our videos. And by the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos. So it's very simple. It will not take you even 1 second, my friend. Down there is a red button. Click at it. It will become gray. Next to it a bell. Turn it to all. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, guys. So as we said, guys, here now there is another correction, maybe till here a little bit, then we're going to see another drop. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicators, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what it's showing here, it came out from that wall as we used to have here, and when it touching here that long-term trend, it's showing a falling. Now it came out from that wall here. Now it tried to go back to touch it. Either now to go back to touch here, and then after that it's going to drop, or from here it's going to go back to touch that wall here we have and to break it maybe. Let's hope that one is going to be the best scenario, guys. But till now it doesn't look that great. Everything is too clear, guys, here. By the way, I know you are a subscriber, my friend. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing for us a comment. That channel without you guys, it will not growing up. Helping us to growing up, guys. If you are satisfied by the analysis also giving you guys, smash the like button and write for us a comment. Help us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help and the support I get from you guys. Now let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, as you remember, as we said here, we are in a oversold area, and we got here a divergence and all those things we said it thousands of times. Should we enter? What also we said, if it doesn't break for us that price action here, we are not going to enter. I'm not going to enter, guys. If it doesn't break here, we are not going to enter. It might that oversold here to stay till 10k, or it might from here where we are that the bottom, guys, if it's breaking up, because no one know what is it the future bringing for you. No one know it. Also, we're just analyzing day by day. So like that, why me I told you guys, if you don't watch our previous videos, it's very simple, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification so when also we put in something new, you're going to get it. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. For the picture to be more clear to you, here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. And here in the 4 hours, if you remember what else we said before, we said we got here the double top. When it's breaking, we enter short. Look at the Bitcoin tail where it went till that level here, and here it gives us that pin bar. And now the Bitcoin here, it's showing it's going up, guys. Yes or no? Let's zoom it to analyze for you what the price action giving you there, guys. Look at it here. Look at that candle here. What it give you? It give you it going up. And that one here, the green one, it's showing you there is a pushing from up, guys. Yes or no? And what me I told you in the last video, guys, I told you it will give you here a flag like that. And now that flag is very clear, guys, as you see it. Now what we need to wait in, that one to come to break lower, guys. People, they enter short, they are short, guys, now. Now, if it came and breaking that flag down, the Bitcoin, it will go down more, guys. I'm going to confirm for you if you're going to enter long or short. Is our friend, guys. Look at it. Our friend, what it's saying here. There is no volume. The volume is very, very, very dry, guys. There is no volume here. Everything is too clear here. And watch me, I told you about that one. I told you, you have here a triangle. That one I show you in the daily. Look at it here in 4 hours, how clear it is, guys. Now, if it came and breaking here, you enter long, guys. If it came up, you enter long and you closing the short one. If it's not from here, it breaking down, that might well go till down here, till that level here. The only thing, the volume, it's very, very, very dry, guys. There is no sellers, no buyers in the market. Everyone is careful, guys. Yes, if you're reading the news and you're watching all those fundamentals, you know the world is entering into a global recession, guys. And you are in the war from it. And they said the Fed would do all those things. Because yes, me, I tell it to my wife, we've been talking about the UK, what Liz Truss doing and those things. And me, I told Liz Truss and Boris Johnson, all those ones, they don't have any clue about what they will do. Because the Fed was spoiling the world, guys. The Fed, they been printing money like hell. They enter America in a inflation or a big recession. Now, they don't want to be in the inflation and the recession alone. They make all the world. Now, there is one of two, the Fed to stop or the world to stop using the US dollar. That's it. That's the only option they have. Something else, no. And that's what us we're seeing now. We're seeing, as you see, Saudi, what they're doing about the petrol and that OPEC and those things. But those things, I don't want to interfere in it. I think everything is too clear here, guys. So now, us, we are going to wait in either the Bitcoin to come to break for us here, will enter long, or to come to break here, will enter short, guys. And I'm going to come back to you guys when the daily candle finishes. Everything is too clear? Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, helping us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go to see our indicators, what they say for the pictures to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it here, is going now to touch that wall here. And what I told you about that one yesterday. People, they been with us, what I said here. What did I say? I said you got a level. Same like the chart, the same here like our indicator. Yes or no? Look at it. When he touch here, same thing. Now it's going back up. Now either to go back and to break here, we will enter long, guys, till the overbought, or from here to go back down and to break for us that level we have here, guys. Till now there is nothing confirmed, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one will give us a clear picture. We'll be in here, if you remember it. At the overbought area, I told you to enter short. You enter short. It came till here. Should you take profit now? Not yet, guys. I think till here, till the oversold area, guys. And here what we have. I show you that level before in the previous video. I told you the same thing in the chart. You have that level here. Yes or no? Look at it. If we came here, from here, and we came, we're drawing a horizontal line like that. What you seeing, guys? Look here, being touching, go up. Here, to be in touch it, fall down. Here it touches it, fall down. Here it touches it, fall down. Here it touches it, go up. Now here you are in it. Now either from here to go up or to come a big power, because now there is no power or there is no volume in the market to break that level. Now the market is very dry, guys. If it doesn't come a big volume, that one it will not break, because that one is a level, the supply and demand zone, guys. And as majority of you know, for a level or a support and resistance or a supply and demand zone to be broken, you need to have a big volume. Without big volume, no one can break it. And also look where we are. If we came from here, what you saying? You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. There is no volume to break it down. That was me I've been telling you. And here, what we got here, if we came like that and like that, I showed it to you in the previous videos, but it's okay. I know some people, they just came, guys. What did I told you? I told you if that one came and break in here, you enter long. Yes or no? I tell that to you guys in the previous videos. If it's breaking here, we enter long. Remember my word. If you break there, you enter long. Take profit at 25k, guys. Everything is too clear here in the 4 hours, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? You haven't? Go ahead and do it. Please, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And here in 30 minutes, what did I told you in the last video? Last video, it's still in the channel, guys. What did I told you got here? What did I told you? Told you got here like a triangle or a wedge. Yes or no? I told you if it's breaking here, you enter long. Now it's break, you need to be enter long, guys. What did I told you? Take profit, it needs to be here. Look with me very close here. Here or the 200 moving average, guys. Now you are in profit, guys. It needs to go up a little bit till here. I told you on Monday that's what it's going to do. Then in Tuesday, we're going to see it falling down, guys. Also, we've been in that market for long, guys. And we know what we're talking about. Why also we enter? Because our indicator is being here at the oversold area, guys. Also, we've been followed from here, from that level here till here we go out. As you see it, guys, till that level here we go out. Now what should you do? You wait in that indicator. When it reach to the overbought area, you take the profit, my friend. To get that indicator, if you are new here, there is one video here in the channel. His name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. Go to the description of that video. You're going to find that indicator, download it and install it in your trading view. And even in that video also we show you how to download it, how to install it, how to do everything. Just go to that video, you're going to find that indicator, my friend. Everything is too clear, guys? So, that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily and the weekly candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.